done kind of now. I've been spending my morning editing and uploading some videos. I needed to upload the video that was going up today. I already edited the video that's going up later this week. I guess they're already up by the time you guys will see this video. But I just wanted to do a little vlog, share with you guys some new journaling supplies I've gotten, stuff that I picked up from like Five Below, mostly Five Below, and then some things I got for Christmas, and then organize my little cart. You can kind of see it poking out like right there. I need to organize my cart. I want to have it somewhere accessible and just have all the things that I need on it. I feel like you guys have seen me organize this cart so many times. I want to organize that. I'm trying to become an organized girly. I even bought this calendar. I didn't really want it blue, but that's all they had. I went to Five Below. They didn't have any like desk calendars, and that's what I was looking for, but they had this. It is glass, and I guess this is better because I can erase it and have each month on it. I didn't really want it blue, but that's okay. But I figured this way I can just, this is mostly to organize my YouTube things and put when I want certain videos going live, so that way I can also mark if it needs to be filmed, if it needs to be edited, if it needs to be uploaded, so that way I can just be a little bit more organized, have better time management, just trying to like get myself together. So once this is done uploading, I will share with you guys some of the things I've picked up. Hopefully the audio is not terrible. I didn't connect my mic because I'm just trying to have this be a little bit more casual, but one of the things I do want to upgrade this year is my camera, but that's all depending on like life. What was I saying? Yeah, things. Yeah. See you in a little bit. All right, so let me start with some of the stuff that I got for Christmas. I put on my list some more little tabs. I use these when I read and I tab everything off. Let me show you an example. Tab wherever I've marked, and so I asked for more colors because I like to match the color to the book. Same when I highlight, so just have a bunch of colors here with even more colors. So I really like these. Then I guess I can include some of these things because I don't know if I ever posted my other video, but like from Amazon sometime in December, I think, I just ordered more sticky notes because I was running low. So it's like muted neutrals colors, and then two from Walmart, like this bright orange. It looks more yellow, but it's definitely more orange, and then this lime green. And then for Christmas I also got more mild liner highlighters, and these are like a muted color, and I just wanted more colors because these have been the highlighters I've been using 2024. I still like my Mr. Happy ones, but these have just been the ones that I've been going to. So, and they're not the brush tip, they're the chisel tip that I've been enjoying, which is very different for me. And then from Five Below I picked up more sticky notes because, as y'all know, I have a sticky note addiction. Like, I've mentioned this before, I have a problem. Do I need a whole drawer full of sticky notes? No, but do I have a whole drawer basically full of sticky notes? Yes. So I got these from TJ Maxx. They're larger and they're just 3 different shades of pink, and I figured these would be really good for my Bible journaling and little notes. This is actually a notepad, so I'm wondering if it's actually sticky. It might not be sticky, which would be perfect. Oh yeah, there's no sticky, so it would be perfect for Bible journaling, note taking, and then taping it in. So I thought this was really cute. And then from Five Below I got these little sticky notes. They're food. They're so cute. So they make like a little croissant breakfast sandwich, but I just thought these were so cute. And then also more sticky notes, more little notepads. They're Pop-Tarts and a little toaster, and I could not get it. It's just so cute. I just thought that these were some cute things that I needed to have, and I wanted to share that with you. And then it's hot up there. I did mention this already. I think that's pretty much it for like new supply things. So I need to like get my life organized so that way I can start going through my cart and we can start organizing that together And I do eventually want to do like some sort of prayer wall on this wall because I have my prayer board here. And I think it would just be nice to have that whole wall dedicated to a prayer wall. I used to have one over here, but it never worked out because it was in the corner, and I feel like over there it would look nice. If you guys ask for prayers, I can just throw them up there, and just kind of make it like one of those messy scrap, like overly cluttered 90s early 2000s like posters on the wall type of wall, but with prayers. And I think that would be a great use of that wall. So yeah, I will chat with you guys once I start getting more things done. And yeah, so it is another day and I'm getting ready to empty out my cart. In here I just have, this is my reading journal and my Bible study journal, which I've been doing a terrible job at updating, so something I want to do this year is do a better job at that. Some notes from a Sunday school class I took, just a notebook, some punch needle stuff, what's this, Bible tabs, a Ziploc bag, some cough drops, commentary, and then some bookmarks. So that's what's on the top here. So here in the second one I have some yarn and stuff, but I'm gonna leave it as it is because I think I want to focus on my Bible stuff just being in this top one because it's easily accessible, and then my second one being more like my projects, crafty projects that I'm doing. So maybe I'll organize that on my other channel, but let's start this. So what am I thinking? I have a ton of stuff. I know I want my Bible. My Bible's downstairs right now. Maybe I do resources. Do my resources here. Leave room for my Bible. Books that I'm reading. Do my daily devotional. And then maybe if I can get a little container. Well, I have this container with like my pens and stuff, so I can do that. Sticky notes I do want to stick on here. I can still fit my Bible maybe in here. I don't know if my Bible's gonna fit, but my Bible can stay on my desk. My reading and Bible study journal. This is the cart so far. I have my commentary, application Bible, study Bible, daily devotional, my 2 journals, my highlighters and pens, and then just this little bin here with some rulers, sticky notes, what are these called? Paper clips, an eraser, and some washi tape. And I figured I would use this for a couple of days and see if there's anything I need to add here that I'm noticing I'm reaching for, but it's not in here, or maybe I'm not reaching for something and it needs to get out so I can put something else here. I also earlier just organized this drawer because it was so messy, but I have all my sticky notes here, just stacks of them, bigger ones here, this huge thing of just paper clips, larger paper clips, erasers, extra pencils, extra erasers. I have all the way in the back that you cannot say is a bin with just extra pens, more sticky notes. These are like my translucent ones, and my black ones, some different shaped ones, and then these are my corner cutters, and then my little flags for when I read. So I have all these organized. Then I just kept this one out here because I figured it was cute. So now I just need to organize my desk and figure out what we're gonna do here, what's gonna make the most sense. So I have my cart here, and I also emptied this out. and kind of cleaned up my bookshelf a little bit. Put all my crochet stuff up there, filled this back up. Books are somewhat organized, still very messy, but you know, the front, the main things that I need are right here. These are books I've read, more books I've read, extra notebooks, things like that. My desk is completely cleared off except for this notebook in case I want to write things down. Hello. I have my study books there, notepads, coffee cup warmer, my mic, this, and I left it blank so that way I can just like read my Bible, do the things I need to do here, edit, but also have space for my camera for when I film. Sometimes I place my camera here, so I cleared this off, like right there. I gotta deal with that, but yeah, that's how everything has turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and just seeing kind of how I wanted to organize my space, kind of reset, give this place a refresh for the new year, and just to make it easier to read my Bible and do the things that God wants me to do. You know, when your space is cleared and organized, it's easier. It's easier. And I keep reminding myself that to hopefully try not to let it get crazy and out of hand. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed how I organized this. And let me know what else you guys would like to see from me and my channel. So I will see you guys in my next video.